Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you another Grow Collaborative haul. This will be my third haul, and this is a pretty big one. So let's get into it. I have 3 boxes here. Two boxes I got for the same month, and then one I got, it was a small one for another month, so I decided to combine them. But let's start opening them and see what I got, because I don't remember. And we'll start with the biggest box first. I know I got some new stuff that I haven't tried, so let's get all this plastic out first, and I do recycle it. Let's start with the tub and towel cleaner. I've gotten this before, but I really like this, so I picked up another one. And this is the scent lemon verbena scent, and I think the other ones were lavender, so I wanted to try the lemon one because I actually prefer lemon cleaning product. I got some toilet cleaner. It is the E-Cover toilet cleaner, and this is it. I've never tried this before, so it will be a new try for me. It is in the scent Pine Fresh. I also got a daily shower cleaner. It cleans without having to rinse, where you can just spray it on there every day, like before you get out, and then clean your shower once a week. And this helps with that, so I got that. I also got another one of the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner, and this one is in spearmint. And I like this too. Oh, it's dripping. It didn't drip in the box. I think it's just because I turned it sideways. But this, I've used this before. I used these two together. I like these, so I got some more, and I'm going to put them in my other bathrooms as well. Make sure all of them have one in. I don't have to carry them around from bathroom to bathroom when I'm cleaning. I also got another toilet bowl cleaner. This is the Myers Clean Day, Mrs. Meyer Clean Day, and this is in this lavender scent. And I like Mrs. Meyer's product because they are made with plant-derived ingredients, natural lactic acids, and natural essential oils made without, I don't even know what this word is, phthalates. I don't know what phthalates is, but it doesn't have it. Chlorine, formaldehyde, harsh mineral acids, and artificial colors. So, like these. I also got another, but I got 3 toilet cleaners. I guess I did. Well, I have more than one bathroom, so. Anyway, I got another Method by Antibac. So I guess it's supposed to be antibacterial toilet. And this is in spearmint. It kills 99% of household germs. So this is the other one. I think I originally was thinking, let me get them all and try them and see which one I like the best, so I know which one I want to use in the future. So that is what I got. And they sent me their fall book, I guess with their new products that they are going to have this fall. I got the Myers Clean Day, I think this is the air freshener. Yep, room freshener, and this is the lemon verbena scent. I got that. I always use Comet, so they had some on their site and it wasn't that bad of a price. I've never tried this. I always use the Comet brand Comet cleaner, but this is the Bond Army powder cleanser. I call them all Comet, but this is that, and I like to use this in my shower. But this is supposed to be better, I guess, than regular Comet. It's supposed to be more safe. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to try it and see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm just going to have to use the Comet, because I like using it at the bottom of my shower because it's tile, the one that's in my master bedroom. And I use a brush, and I saw this brush, I got this as well. I saw this brush and it was pointed, so I figured I would get it for my showers because I'm always down there scrubbing and trying to get into the corners of the walls, and it's hard to get in there. And so since I seen this brush that it was angled just for that, I got it because mold can get in those cracks. So got this, and it has Grove on the handle, so that is cute. Not for sure how much any of this costs, but you can check the website and check down below. I have a discount code for if you are first time to Grove, so check that. Okay, that is all that's in box number 1. Let's see what's in box number 2, and this is a smaller box. I'm going from biggest to smallest. Did they send me everything twice? This looks like all the same stuff. I might have to do a giveaway. I have another brush, and I know I didn't order 2. Yes, guys, I think that I got 2 of the same thing because I didn't order all of this. But that was nice of them. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Don't know what, but it'll be a separate video. So again, I have the spearmint cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, antibacterial, the lavender toilet bowl cleaner, and with my OCD self, I'm going to organize them both so that I can keep them in order so I know what I am going to give away to a lucky subscriber. I have and making sure they're all the same scent, the daily shower cleaner, and this is, what scent is this? I thought it was on the other one. Eucalyptus mint. I don't think I said that, but both of these are eucalyptus mint. I can't hardly say that word. So it's a tongue twist. Now this wasn't in the other box, so maybe this was something I got for free, because I know I wouldn't have ordered this. This is a body wash. It is a Method Body Citrus Ginger Sea Buckthorn Energy Boost Body Wash. Naturally derived, no bad vibes. And see that? I've never tried this before. I don't try a lot of different soaps because I have sensitive skin and I itch, but this is cruelty free and naturally derived and certified to benefit our people and the planet. And the bottle is 65% recycled. So I might try it. I don't know. I get scared a lot because I break out in hives from just about everything. So I try to stick with the same thing. But I may try this because it's citrus and ginger. It probably smells really good. Oh, it does. Yeah, I think I'm going to try this. Because Caress came out with one. I can use Caress and Dove. And I've been trying natural soaps, but Caress and Dove don't bother me. I've been using them all my life. I don't itch or anything when using them. But they came out with one time that had ginger or something. Oh, this almost smells like that. So I'm going to keep this so one of you guys will not be getting this. I got another room cleaner, and this is more lemon verbena. So all of it is not 2 of the same thing. Unless there's some in that box too that goes with this. Got another Method bathroom cleaner antibacterial, so that's 2 of those. And then another one of the lemon verbena tub and towel cleaner. So I have 2 tub and towel cleaners, 2 toilet bowl, the Mrs. Myers, 2 of the Method antibacterial toilet cleaners, 2 of the bathroom antibacterial cleaners, and 2 of these air fresheners, and 2 of the daily shower. So that's all I have. Oh, and 2 of these. I may give away one now since I have 2. I don't need to because I only have 1 shower with towel, all the rest of my regular tub. So I don't know, unless I keep it for my kitchen. I don't know. We'll see when the giveaway comes. Because 'tis the season to be sharing and donating, cleaning out your closets and giving to the needy, whether it's to Goodwill, Salvation Army, or homeless shelter. Give. Do not throw away. Somebody will be thankful for the things that you don't want. Okay, this box don't have much in it at all. So I got 2 more of these sponges. I like these sponges. They are, I don't know what that is on the other side. It's like those little, why did my light go dark? It's like those little green scrubbers that you scrub your pans with. It's those on one side and then the regular sponge on the other. So I like these to clean my pots and stuff, especially when I have something that sticks to them. I have another hand soap, and this is lavender scent. And these hand soaps are made with olive oil and aloe vera. Excuse me. And I like these. I put these in all of my bathrooms, but I think I keep looking for lemon. And I haven't seen lemon, or maybe I just keep clicking lavender, but I'm not a big lavender person. I like lemon scents and citrusy scents, but here's that one. And then the last thing that I have in my haul is another one of the dish soap. It cuts grease and it's biodegradable. This is the lavender scent as well, the Mrs. Myers dish soap. I like these, but I can't say, to me personally, they're not as good as Dawn And I don't know how eco-friendly Dawn is. I'm going to check into that because I hand wash my dishes. I do not use the dishwasher unless I'm having a lot of people over and it's not enough, because I use my dishwasher as a drying rack. When I wash my dishes, I put them in the dishwasher and let them dry. But if I have a lot of people over and I'm cooking, then I will wash dishes and put them in my dish rack and turn the dishwasher on for the other dishes. So that's what I do, because I like my dishes. The dishwasher to me doesn't get your dishes clean enough, and I think it wastes water and electricity, way too much water and electricity, because it runs for a freaking hour. And in an hour I probably could wash 10 loads of dishes. So anyway, that is it, guys. I hope you all have a very wonderful, happy holiday, and please stay tuned for the giveaway. The giveaway may be before this or after this, not sure, but I'm going to do a giveaway for my Stephanie's Journeys channel, because I'm already doing one on my DBS channel. Designs by Stephanie's channel, so I won't be doing one on there for this, because I'm only doing one at a time. And I haven't put up my giveaway for my Stephanie's Journeys channel, so this giveaway will be for that. So if you want to qualify for a giveaway for some of these products, then you're gonna have to go over to that channel. If you're not already on that channel, subscribe and then check out that video and see what you can win there. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by. Happy holidays, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.